Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. We're going to take a look at a product that I ordered that I think maybe quite a few of you guys might be interested in. Now, this is a product that is made in the USA. These are stick-on bifocal lenses. Now, I use a number of different types of glasses, from glasses that I use for laser engraving, glasses I use for my motorcycles, just a variety of different glasses. Now, recently I was lucky enough to be blessed with these glasses here from Ray-Ban. These are the Ray-Ban Meta. You guys probably are familiar with these glasses. Now, the variation that I got of these glasses did come with the clear lenses. Not a big deal, not a big deal, but what I do want to do is for now to just add the little bifocal inserts into these guys, and hopefully that will work. So how do we go about doing that? Let's take a look at what actually comes in the little packet. So this is what you receive when you order these. Now they come in different diopter strengths. This one is 2.5. So let's just go ahead and open this up and see exactly what we get. All right, guys, so the first thing that you're going to notice is your little instruction manual, and this is going to kind of walk you through everything that you need to do in order to install these. Very simple. It just says basically to wet the glasses, and then you're going to apply them to the glasses and then just wait for them to dry. So that's pretty much it. So that's what we're going to do. All right, so let's take a look at the two lenses. These are the lenses themselves. Let me see if I can pop one of these out so you guys can get a look at it. So this is what the lenses look like. I don't think there is a front or a rear. Now they are somewhat curved, so I think the curved section is what you're going to adhere to whatever it is that you want to attach these to. And you guys should be able to see the magnification as I move these in and out. You can see how that's going to go. So basically what we're going to do here is we're going to adhere these right about there into our glasses. Okay, so we're going to first have to clean the glasses. I'm going to make sure that you do properly clean them, and then once they're clean, we're going to go ahead and adhere those to these frames. All right, so what I have here is a lens cleaner, and I can just go in here really easily and clean off the lenses. And you can do that for both in the beginning or one at a time, whichever you choose to do. Totally up to you. All right, so we're going to set the lenses up like that. We're just going to grab just a little bit of water, and we're just going to put a few drops of water. And then we're going to take those and just kind of slide them into place. And you're just going to apply just a little bit of pressure, guys, just to kind of seat them pretty much wherever you want them to be. Now, you can remove these at any point. I like them kind of in the corner, as you guys can see here, so that way I can kind of look down or out to the corner. But if you wanted them to be better centered, you could just pop these guys out again, like so, while it's still wet. And then you can kind of adjust these maybe to the center, if that's more accommodating for some people. So let's try that for these. So we're just going to press those in just like that to the center. And then once these dry, you can just go in and remove the additional water, and then they should seat perfectly in that position once they dry. So you're going to do that to both of those glasses, both of the lenses, and you should be pretty much good to go. All right, guys, I just want to show you guys a really cool product that I think that a lot of people out there, whether you're using these Ray-Ban Metas or any other glasses that you need some type of magnification for, these little bifocals I think are going to be a great option for you. So definitely take a look at these. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.